It was December 1872. A British brigantine spotted a vessel drifting in the Atlantic, 600 miles off the Azores. She was moving under sail. She showed no distress signal, but when a boarding crew climbed over the rail, they found something that has never been fully explained: absolute silence. The Mary Celeste carried 1,700 barrels of commercial alcohol. Her charts, navigation instruments, and 6 months of provisions were untouched. The captain's logbook had entries up to November 25th. Everything suggested the ship had been abandoned in sudden, desperate haste, and yet there was no storm recorded that day, no evidence of violence, no fire, no flood. 10 people vanished into the Atlantic without leaving a single body or an explanation that satisfies investigators to this day. But the Mary Celeste is not alone. In 2006, a Philippine Coast Guard vessel boarded the MV Jian Seng, drifting off Queensland, Australia. No registration, no crew, no cargo, no distress call. Authorities never identified who owned her or where she came from. In 1775, the crew of the Herald encountered the brigantine Octavius in the Arctic, locked solid in pack ice. Inside the captain's cabin, they found the captain frozen at his desk, quill still in hand. The last log entry was dated 1762. 13 years earlier. The ship had been drifting for over a decade, with its dead crew preserved in the cold. Now consider the SS Ourang Medan. In 1947, multiple ships received a distress signal from this Dutch vessel in the Strait of Malacca. Rescue crews boarded to find every single crew member dead, eyes wide open, faces locked in expressions of terror, arms outstretched toward something unseen. Before she could be towed to port, the ship caught fire and exploded. And then there is the Carroll A, found aground off Cape Hatteras in 1921 with all sails set, meals prepared in the galley, and every single one of her 11 crew members gone without a trace. The US government investigated for years. They never found an answer. Somewhere on these waters, the sea keeps its secrets, and the ships that return without their crews are a quiet, unsettling reminder that the ocean's depth is not the only thing beyond our understanding.